Steady steps, rhythm of the soul, preserving Central Java's culture for Indonesia. I am Trinur Wiko, Cultural Ambassador of Central Java 2025. As a sports coach, I believe that a healthy body creates a strong spirit to keep our culture alive. Culture is not just heritage, it is the breath of life that I bring in dance, song, and art. Middle of rapid modernization, I want to bring back traditional games like Egrang. These games teach us fairness, unity, and strength, just like the values of Javanese life. As a sport coach, I see art and culture as a harmony that I want to protect, making the body strong, the soul beautiful, and culture everlasting. I am Trinur Wiko, born in Semarang Regency and proud to represent Central Java as a Cultural Ambassador 2025. Let us protect our culture together, because culture is the identity of our nation. From Central Java, for Indonesia, for the world. Step to culture, high steps, high heritage.